Python's file handling capabilities extend to .txt, .csv, and .json files, each serving unique purposes. .txt files are ideal for unstructured data, .csv files excel in tabular data management, and .json files are perfect for structured data interchange. Mastering these formats enhances data manipulation and storage efficiency in software development. Python's file handling capabilities are built on core principles like file modes, buffering, and context managers. These mechanisms ensure efficient and safe interactions with files, allowing developers to read, write, and manipulate data seamlessly. Understanding these foundations is crucial for leveraging Python's full potential in data management tasks. File handling is crucial for data persistence, allowing information storage beyond program execution, essential for maintaining application state. It powers automation and analysis, driving business intelligence and research. Additionally, it enables universal data exchange through standardized formats. Python's built-in tools offer robust interfaces for complex file operations with minimal code overhead. Opening files efficiently involves understanding file access modes: R for reading, W for writing, A for appending, and R+ for both reading and writing. Use B for binary files. Employ the with statement for automatic resource management, ensuring files close properly, preventing resource leaks and ensuring safe file handling. Reading text files involves methods like read for entire content, readline for a single line, and readlines for all lines as a list. Writing uses write for strings and writelines for lists. Demonstrating with the Zen of Python, we read and print content, then write a line to output.txt. Utilizing a context manager ensures efficient file handling. Open the file, read its content using methods like read, and process or display the data. The context manager automatically closes the file upon exit, ensuring resource management. Verify output by checking the terminal for complete content display, confirming successful reading with formatting intact. CSV files are a cornerstone of data exchange, offering a simple yet powerful format for tabular data. Each line in a CSV file represents a data record, with fields separated by commas. This format is universally compatible, supported by Excel, Google Sheets, and most programming languages, making it essential for seamless data integration across platforms. CSV files store tabular data in plain text, with each line as a data record and commas separating fields. Universally compatible, they are supported by Excel, Google Sheets, databases, and programming languages. However, CSVs lack native data type support, cell formatting, formulas, and are limited to a single sheet structure. To read CSV files in Python, use the CSV module. The csv.reader method processes each row as a list of strings, perfect for sequential tasks. Alternatively, csv.dictReader returns rows as dictionaries, allowing access by column names. Both methods are efficient for handling CSV data, with dictReader offering more intuitive field access.